Welcome to the YouTube channel Zimmal Tech. Today topic of our YouTube video is personal injury lawyers. Personal injury lawyer. A personal injury lawyer is a lawyer who provides legal services to those who claim to have been injured physically or psychologically as a result of the negligence of another person, company, government agency, or any entity. Personal injury lawyers primarily practice in the area of law known as tort law. Examples of common personal injury claims include injuries from slip and fall accident, traffic collisions, defective products, workplace injuries, and professional malpractice. The term trial lawyers is used to refer to personal injury lawyers, even though many other types of lawyers, including defense lawyers and criminal prosecutors, also appear in trials, and even though most personal injury claims are settled without going to trial. Qualification. A personal injury lawyer must qualify to practice law in the jurisdiction in which the lawyer practices. In many states, they must also pass a written ethics examination. Lawyers may take continuing legal education (CLE) classes in order to learn about developments in the law or to learn about new practice areas. In states that require lawyers to attend CLE, personal injury lawyers may take CLE courses relevant to personal injury law but are not required to do so. United States. Certain bar associations and attorney organizations offer certifications, including certifications of lawyers in the field of personal injury. Certification is not required to practice personal injury law, but may help a lawyer demonstrate knowledge in the field to potential clients. Within the US, not all state bars offer certification for personal injury law. Some states, such as New Jersey, allow lawyers to become certified trial attorneys, a credential that is available to both plaintiff and defense attorneys. Some states, such as Arizona, restrict the use of the word specialist or specialized to lawyers who have obtained a certificate from the State Bar Board of legal specialization in a specific field of law, with one such certification being in the area of personal injury law practice. Lawyers may concentrate their practice to specific areas of law, including personal injury law. Some lawyers may further specialize to a specific area of personal injury, such as medical malpractice law. By limiting the range of cases they handle, personal injury lawyers are able to acquire specialized knowledge and experience. Client relations. Before accepting a new case, a personal injury lawyer typically interviews a prospective client and evaluates the client's case to determine the basic facts and potential legal claims that might be made, identifies possible defendants, and evaluates the strength of the case. A lawyer may decline to accept a case if the lawyer believes that the legal claims will not succeed in court if the cost of litigation is expected to exceed the amount that can reasonably be recovered from the defendants as compensation for the client's injury. Compensation. Lawyer fees may be charged in a number of ways, including contingency fees, hourly rates, and flat fees. In many countries, personal injury lawyers work primarily on a contingency fee basis, sometimes called an if-come fee, through which the lawyer receives a percentage of a client's recovery as a fee, but does not recover a fee if the claim is not successful. In some jurisdictions, or by virtue of the retainer agreement between an attorney and client, the amount of the legal fee may vary depending upon whether a case settled before a lawsuit is filed, after a lawsuit is filed but before trial, or if the case goes to trial. For example, a retainer agreement might provide that a lawyer will receive a 33 and 1 by 3% contingency fee if a case settled before a lawsuit is filed, 40% contingency fee if the case settles after the lawsuit is filed, or up to 45% if the lawsuit goes to trial. Due to the high cost of litigation, personal injury lawyers are rarely retained to work based on an hourly fee. However, defense attorneys who are hired to contest personal injury claims are often paid on an hourly basis. Ethics. An attorney should provide diligent representation to clients, and the ultimate professional responsibility of a personal injury lawyer is to help Plentiful plaintiffs obtained just compensation for their losses.